Hello everyone, my name is Shoram and welcome to my 29th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today also we are going to discuss about HTML5 forms and some more elements of it. As you can see here, we have already added two input type text fields here which we discussed in our last tutorial. So let's begin by adding further code and discussing about these two elements. Okay. So as you can see, we have added the two text inputs here which are within the form tags, input type text, first name, name equal to first name, and here the value we have kept it as blank. Okay, so that means there is no text by default. And similarly we have added the last name by adding a beer tag. Same thing, input type text, name equal to last name and value equal to blank. Now we will be adding some more elements to this form. Okay, we will first add the select element. Okay, so what exactly is select element? Select element is something similar to radio, but in this case you can select elements from a drop down menu. So how to code a select element? To code a select element, first we will write the options here. Let's add another beer tag here, and then we type, say we want to select some cars from a website. Okay, we just write cars, then colon, then we write a beer tag, then we will start the select tag here. Select, simply write select by opening the tag and give a space, name, then equal to, within double quote we write cars, then close it here. Now we end the select element here like this, less than size forward slash, then select, then greater than sign. Now we will write all the options within this. Okay, so to write option, we just write option, then give a space, then value. Okay, then equal to, within this, say we write Honda. Okay, then we write Honda here, then we close the option tag like this. Okay, similarly we will be adding a few more options here. Just change the value here. Okay, and the name here. Okay, we have added a few more option values here just like this, and now we have saved it. Now let's check in our browser. You can see here the select element appears here, and when you click here, the drop down menu appears with the names of the cars here. Okay, next we will discuss about the text area element. To do that, first we will add two beer tags here to give some space, and then write comments, which will be our comments field, then give a colon and then give a beer tag here, then we will write text area. Okay, next we will give a space and give name to this text area, then in double quotes we will write message. Okay, then give a space, then it has some more properties which are rows and columns. The rows column we will add here 10, and columns, COLS, columns, short form of columns, will be 30. Okay, now we close it there and finally close the text area here. Now within here you can add some text. It is optional. Now let's save it and check in our browser. You can see here the comments appear here. Let's get rid of this for now. Okay, let's save it. Yeah, you can see here the comments field appears here as white box, and if you increase this columns or rows field, you will see there is increase and decrease of the size of this box. You can see here. So we leave it what it was before. Okay, and finally we will discuss about the button element. Okay, to do that, what you need to do, we just write a beer tag here, then simply write button type equal to, within double quote it will be button, then close it. Then here we write submit, which will be the value of the button, and then close the button tag here. Now save it and check in our browser. As you can see, the button appears here. So we have completed our form. This is the part 2 of the form tutorials. So that's it for now. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.